we making?
So today we're making pasta with Parmesan cheese.
Is that what you're holding right there?
Yes.
Okay. Why don't you pour the pasta in the boiling water? Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, good job.
Good job for what?
Okay.
Making.
So why don't you stir it around a little bit?
So which one do we use? This?
Yeah, you could use that. Okay, so we'll let that cook for probably 10 minutes and then we'll test it, okay?
Okay.
What do you do now?
So now we are going to stir it.
Okay.
I think to make it softer.
How much more time do you think we have?
5.
5 what?
5 more minutes.
Okay. You think it's almost done?
Yeah.
Okay, stir it a little bit. Okay, good. Let's take it all the way over.
What?
Take it over to the sink.
Don't. See? Watch out, Blake.
Come on.
Okay.
Okay.
Why?
So we save some of the pasta water in case we need to make it a little bit creamier. What are we going to do now?
So now we're gonna put the butter in the with the pasta.
Okay. How do you know how much butter to add?
Because my papa put it in the bowl.
Okay. Okay. Okay, mix it around. Mmm.
Well, it wasn't on before.
Doing a good job.
Popped on, so.
Ooh, it's melting already.
Yeah, doing a great job.
Butter. Thanks.
But yeah, I left around noon. I played 9 holes. Just got home.
Okay, so what are we going to add next?
We're gonna add
About half of that. Okay? Tell 'em.
oh,
How much are we going to add?
half of it.
Okay.
And if we need more, we're gonna put in some of the pasta water to make it more creamy.
Yeah, you can use your fingers there and help it in if you want.
Is this good?
That's good.
Oh, this looks good.
Does look good.
There's still butter.
Yeah, it's okay. Uh-oh. Daddy usually attacks.
So good once it hits your lips.
Oh,
I already have butter.
okay, put the butter in there. Keep it, it'll melt eventually. Okay.
Okay.
Let's add a little bit more in this.
Okay. To make it more cheesy.
Make it more cheesy.
Do we add any more of that?
Oh, the pasta water, we'll see. Great job.
Is that good?
Yeah, okay, we're just gonna add a little bit of the pasta water, okay? Here you go. Just a couple of,
Is that good?
oops. Okay, stir it around. Oh yeah, creams it right up nice.
This looks good.
Okay, we're gonna be eating it in a little while. We'll see how everybody likes it, okay?
Okay.
So, how is your own pasta?
Good.
Just good?
What's on it? What is on it? Can I try
Can
one?
I have more cheese?
You want more cheese? Sure.
Can I try one?
Yeah.
Put some more cheese on it.
Yeah. There's a noodle in here.
What is in there?
Cheese and butter.
That's good.
Mmm. Okay, can you try the pasta? See how it tastes. Your sister made it. You like it? Good.